व्लॉग्स। आज हम क्लास 11 के लिए चैप्टर 9 जिसका नाम है मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉलिड की मैकेनिकल प्रॉपर्टीज चैप्टर 9 है। फिजिक्स में टोटल 14 चैप्टर, ये हमारा 9 चैप्टर चल रहा है। चलिए पढ़ते हैं। डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स क्या होता है? A force which produce a change in configuration of the object on applying it is called a deforming force। एक ऐसा फोर्स जो किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की कॉन्फ़िगरेशन को चेंजेस प्रोड्यूस करता है उसी को डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स कहते हैं। इलास्टिसिटी क्या होता है? इलास्टिसिटी इज दैट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ which it's regain its original configuration and after the removal of the deforming force। इलास्टिसिटी वो होती है जो पहले स्ट्रेच हो जाएगी फिर बाद में उसी पोजीशन में आ जाए, उसे हम इलास्टिसिटी कहते हैं। इलास्टिक की लिमिट क्या होती है? इलास्टिक लिमिट इज द अपर लिमिट ऑफ डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स विच इफ डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स इज रिमूव्ड द बॉडी रिगेन इट्स ओरिजिनल फ्रॉम कंप्लीटली बिहाइंड विच if deforming force is increased the body loses its property of elasticity and get permanently deformed। perfectly elastic bodies क्या होती है? those bodies which regain its original configuration immediately and completely after the removal of deforming force are called perfectly elastic bodies। example quartz, phosphor, bronze etc। परफेक्टली प्लास्टिक बॉडी क्या होती है? दोज बॉडी विच डज नॉट रिगेन इट्स ओरिजिनल कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस एट ऑल द रिमूवल ऑफ डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स आर कॉल्ड परफेक्टली प्लास्टिक बॉडी लाइक एस पुट्टी, पैराफिन, वैक्स एक्सेट्रा। स्ट्रेस क्या होता है? द इंटरनल रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स एक्टिंग पर यूनिट एरिया ऑफ डिफॉर्म्ड बॉडी इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेस। Stress equal to restoring force upon area। The flux stress में चलेगी। The internal restoring force acting per unit area of deformed body is called stress। Stress क्या है? Stress equal to restoring force upon area। Its unit is Newton per meter square or Pascal and dimensional formula is ml minus 12t-2। stress is a tensor quantity। stress एक tensor quantity है। stress is of two types। normal stress, if deforming force is applied normal to the area then the stress is called normal stress। if there is increase in length then stress is tensile stress। if there is decrease in length then stress is comparison stress। जब डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स किसी एरिया पर अप्लाइड होता है तो नॉर्मल स्ट्रेस, और लेंथ बढ़ जाती है तो वो स्ट्रेस टेंसाइल, अगर लेंथ घट जाती है तो वो कंप्रेशन स्ट्रेस हो जाता है। सेकंड, टेंजेंशियल स्ट्रेस। इफ डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स इज अप्लाइड टेंजेंशियली देन द स्ट्रेस इज कॉल्ड टेंजेंशियल स्ट्रेस। स्ट्रेन क्या होता है? द फ्रैक्शनल चेंज इन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेन। स्ट्रेन इक्वल टू चेंज इन द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अपॉन ओरिजिनल कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस। इट हैज नो यूनिट and it is a dimensionless quantity. According to change in configuration, the stress is of three types. First, longitudinal strain equal to change in length upon original length. Second, volumetric strain, change in volume upon original volume. Third, shearing strain, angular displacement of the plane perpendicular to the fixed surface. Hooke's law क्या होता है? Within the limit of elasticity, the stress is proportional to strain. Stress and strain or stress equal to E multiply strain, where E is the modulus of elasticity of the material of the body. Types of modulus of elasticity. पहला, Young's modulus of elasticity। It is defined as the normal stress to longitudinal strain within the elastic limit y equal to normal stress upon longitudinal stress। so y equal to f delta L upon AL equal to mg delta L upon pi r square L। its unit is Newton per meter square or Pascal and its dimensional formula is ml minus 1 t minus 2। अब बल्क मॉड्यूलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी क्या होता है? It is defined as the ratio of normal stress to the volumetric strength within the elastic limit. K equal to normal stress upon volumetric strength. K equal to Fv upon A delta V and delta P V by delta V, where delta P equal to F by A, change in pressure, its unit is Newton per meter square, or Pascal it is dimension, formula is ml minus 1 T minus 2. Modulus of rigidity, it is defined as the ratio of tangency stress to the shearing strength within the elastic limit. N equal to tangency stress upon shearing strength. Compressibility of a material is the reciprocal of its bulk modulus of elasticity. कंप्रेसिबिलिटी ऑफ मटेरियल क्या है? बल्क मॉड्यूलस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी का रेसिप्रोकल है. कंप्रेसिबिलिटी इक्वल टू 1/k. इट्स यूनिट इज न्यूटन इनवर्स मीटर स्क्वायर and CGS unit is Dyne inverse centimeter square. Steel is more elastic than library. Steel is more elastic than rigidity is 0. Young's modulus Y and modulus of rigidity N are possessed by solid material only. Its limit of elasticity. Breaking stress. The minimum value of stress required to weak a wire is called breaking stress. Breaking stress is fixed for a material, but breaking force varies with area of cross section of the wire. Safety factor equal to breaking stress upon working stress. Elastic relaxation time. The time delay in restoring the original configuration after removal of deforming force is called elastic relaxation time. For a quartz phosphor bronze, this time is negligible. Elastic after effect. The temporary delay in regaining the original configuration by the elastic body after the removal of deforming force is called elastic after effect. Elastic fatigue. The property of an elastic body by virtue of which its behavior becomes less elastic under the action of repeated alternating deforming force is called elastic fatigue. Ductile material. The material which show large plastic range beyond elastic limits are called ductile material. Example: copper, silver, iron, aluminum, etc. Ductile material are used for making springs and seats. Brittle material. The brittle material क्या होता है? The material which show very small plastic range beyond elastic limit are called brittle material. Example: glass, cast, iron, etc. Elastomers. The material for which strain produced is much larger than the stress applied within the limits of elasticity are called elastomers. Example: rubber. The elastic tissue of aorta, the large vessel carrying blood from heart. Elastomers have no plastic range. Elastic potential energy in stretched wire. The work done in stretched wire is stored in the form of potential energy of wire. Potential energy U equal to average force into increase in length. 1/2 F delta L equal to 1/2 stress into strain into volume of wire. Elastic potential energy per unit volume. U equal to 1/2 into stress into strain. 1/2 Young's modulus into strain square. Elastic potential energy of stretch spring 1/2 kx square, where k equal to force constants of spring and x equal to change in length. Thermal stress. When temperature of rod fixed at its both end is changed, then the produced stress is thermal stress. Thermal stress equal to F upon A. So equal to Y alpha delta theta, where alpha is the coefficient of linear expansion of material of the rod. When temperature of a glass enclosed in a vessel is changed, then the norm thermal stress produced is equal to change in pressure delta P of the gas. Thermal stress delta P equal to K by delta Q, where K equal to bulk modulus of elasticity and gamma equal to coefficient of cubical expansion of the gas. Intra-atomic force constant K equal to Y R naught, where R naught intra-atomic distance. Poisson's ratio. When a deforming force is applied at the free end of suspended wire of length L and radius R, then its length increased by dl, what is radius decreased by dr. Now two types of strains are produced by a single force. Longitudinal stress delta U1 lateral strain minus delta R upon R. Poisson's ratio sigma lateral strain upon longitudinal strain equal to minus delta R upon R delta U1. The theoretical value of Poisson's ratios lies between -1 and 0.5. Its practical value lies between 0 and 0.5. Relations between yk and sigma. First, y equal to 3k, 1 minus 2 sigma. Second, y equal to 2n, 1 plus sigma. Third, sigma equal to 3k minus 2n by 2n plus 6k. N upon y equal to 1yk plus 3yn, or y equal to 9k n upon n plus 3k. Important point. Coefficient of elasticity depends upon the material, its temperature and purity, but not on strain or stress. For the same material, the three coefficients of elasticity y, n and k have different magnitude. Isothermal elasticity of gas Et equal to P, where P is the pressure of the gas. Adiabatic elasticity of gas Es Yp, where y equal to Cp by Cv, ratio of specific heat at constant pressure at constant volume. Ratio between isothermal elasticity and adiabatic elasticity Es by Et equal to y equal to Cp by Cv. Cantilever. A beam clamped at one end and loaded at free end is called cantilever. Depression at the free end of a cantilever is given by delta equal to WLQ by 3 by Lg, where W equal to load, L equal to length of cantilever, Y equal to Young's modulus of elasticity, and Ig geometrical moment of inertia. For a beam of rectangular cross sections having breadth B and thickness T, Ig equal to BdQ by 12. For a beam of circular cross section area having radius R, Ig equal to pi r square by 4. Beam supported at two ends and loaded at the middle. Depression at middle, delta WLQ by 48 by Lg. Torsion of cylinder. Couple per unit twist, C equal to pi n r4 2L upon, where n equal to modulus of rigidity of the material of cylinder, r equal to radius of cylinder, L equal to length of cylinder. Work done in twisting the cylinder through an angle theta. W equal to 1 by 2 c theta square. Relation between angle of twist and angle of shears, r theta की 1 ओमेगा और ओमेगा की r by L इक्वल थीटा. ये चैप्टर हमारा 9 मिनट्स में कंप्लीट हो गया. अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिल सके.